Hi, Mary Moses here, and this is my new shelf that I made. Um, she has a little tree branch handle, and inside are glow-in-the-dark perfumes with a glow-in-the-dark backdrop, and she is completely glow-in-the-dark. So in a minute, I'm going to try to videotape her in the dark and see if you can see the glow. Okay, so I brought her into the bathroom, and so far my camera's having a hard time picking up the glow-in-the-dark green tone, but you can see that the perfume is glowing. That's completely glow-in-the-dark perfume. It's way brighter than what my camera is showing. But, so it's kind of neat to have hanging on your wall something that glows, and the perfume glows, and there's a little theme to it. You can see. Well, I guess you can't really see the glow. I mean, I can see it here, but oh well.